Hello friends, so today we will be learning expressions using operators. So if you have not gone through the previous lecture on operators, kindly do so. In this lecture, we'll be learning expressions. So keep a notebook ready, you'll need to solve them along with me, in fact before me. So it will be beneficial for you if you solve it on your own. And then look at my output. So suppose we declare a variable a of data type int as 3. Then we have printf statement %d, that's the access specifier, /n, meaning it goes to the next line and prints the output as a. Then we have printf %d \n a plus plus. Now that is the post increment, and we have plus plus a, that is the pre increment. So what will happen is, in the first line it will print a as it is, it's the value of a. Then we have a plus plus, that is the post increment, means first it will print the value as 3 and then it will increment, and here the value will become 4. Then it goes to the third step, that is plus plus a. Now a plus plus and plus plus a, it will be increment by 2, because here a is printed as 3 and then it became 4, and then 4 is then incremented again and it turns to 5, and hence the output is 3 3 5. Since it's \n, all the outputs will be on the different line. So kindly note that the output you write has to be on different line because of the \n, or you get wrong. Now let us go to the second expression. Here we have two variables x and y of data type int. We declare the value of x as 4 and y as 9, and we initialize the variable z. Now we have the expression z is equal to x plus 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 minus minus y plus y. Now x plus plus is the post increment, means it will first take the value as 4, then it will increment by 1 and change to 5. Now we have minus minus y, that is the decrement, pre-decrement. So the value of y will change to 8. So we have 8 over here, plus 8. So till now we have 4 plus 8. Now the doubt is over here. We have plus y. Now what value of y you will take? Will it be 9 or will it be 8? The answer is, you are moving from left to right for the expression. So the 4 will be here. The value of y changes from 9 to 8. So this value of y will remain as 8. So the final output will be 4 plus 8 plus 8. That is equal to 20. This is the first statement. Now let us go to the second expression. Z is equal to minus minus x plus y minus minus. So minus minus x is the pre-decrement. So now the value of x, which was 4 over here, its final value changes to 5. So now here with the pre-decrement, it will change again from 5 to 4. So we have 4 over here, plus now the value of x has changed to 4, so you will have 4 over here also, plus 4 plus y minus minus. Now the value of y was 8 over here, 8 over here. So now 8 is still remaining over here. Since it's the post decrement, the value will remain 8, and then it will change to 7, but for the expression it will remain 8. So the value is 4 plus 4 plus 8. So the output of z will be 16. Now let us move ahead. Here we have two variables a, b, declared of data type int. Now here is the thing where data type is very important. Now first I want you all to solve the expression without looking at my output. Now see, we have declared a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3 of data type int, and we have float c, which is of data type float, and we have C is equal to A slash B. Now A slash B is normal division. Okay, so 3 divided by 5, B divided by A. You get the answer as 1. Now, most of the people do mistake over here. This is a tricky question. For silly mistake you'll write the output as 1. But you have to see that the access specifier is %f, means it has to be in decimal. There has to be 1.000000, that is 6 zeros after the decimal. The output has to be in decimal, otherwise you will get it wrong. Now, let us move on to the next expression. You have 3 variables A, B and C over here. We have A is equal to 10 and B and C is just initialized. Then we initialize C is equal to B is equal to A. Means now all the values have been assigned 10. Okay. Now let us move on to the expression B minus is equal to A minus minus. Or this can also be written as B is equal to B minus A. So B will be assigned the value as 10 minus 10, that is 0. Now let us move on to C. C minus is equal to minus minus A. So C will be also, it can be also written as C is equal to C minus A. So now C will be assigned the value to be decrement. So first it will change to 9. The decrement of A will be changed to 9. And then further C minus is equal to minus minus A. The first makes the value of A to be decremented to A, 8. Now C minus is equal to minus minus A can be written as C is equal to C minus A. So that will be equal to 10 minus 8. And hence you will get the output as 2. After this statement we have A minus is equal to minus minus A minus A minus minus, wherein we have one pre-decrement operator. Hence the value of A is first decremented to 7. Now A minus is equal to minus minus A can be written as A is equal to 7 minus 7 minus 7. So that will be equal to 7 minus 0. That's equal to 7. Also the value of A is post decremented in the same statement. Thus the value becomes C. So the output will be A is equal to 6, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 2. Now let us move on to the next program, that is a very important program. In this program we learn to extract the digits. Let us consider 3 variables D1, D2, D3 to store the respective digits and comma number. Or you can also take it as n to accept the number. So first we do, all of them are of data type int. So printf, enter the 3-digit number. Scanf, that is scan for input, %d for the access specifier integer, ampersand to point towards the address, and the number variable to accept the number. Now this program is also used for digit extraction, which is very important because in almost all the programs you need this. Now D3, that's the 3rd digit, is equal to number mod 10. What the mod sign does is it gives the remainder. Correct? So what happens in this program, when a number is divided by 10 and its remainder is taken, you get the last digit of the number. When the same number is divided further by 10 and the quotient is taken, then the last digit is discarded and the remaining digits are obtained as the result. So what will happen is, in this mod you will get the last digit, you extract it and you again go to it and you will get the second last digit and so on. So hence you have to remember, first thing is the mod sign and the second thing is the slash. So d3 is, suppose I take the variable as n, so n mod 10 and n is equal to n slash 10. So what will happen is, again then it will go to d2 where the second last digit and d1 where the third last digit. So the digits of the number are %d, 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 that's for the integer, d1, d2, d3, that's the digits. So and slash n, hence it goes to the next line. So the output will be 3, 4 and 5. Now let us take another example. We have two variables a and rem, both are of integer type. We do take the input, print enter number, scanf %d means of variable integer type, data type, and remainder is equal to a mod 10, a mod 2. Now we are using the ternary operator over here. So first here is the condition, here is the true and here is the false. So if remainder is equal to 0, question mark, printf even or printf odd. So a mod 2 means any mod 2 means if you divide a number by 2 and you get a remainder as 0, then it's an even number, else it's an odd number. So this program is basically for checking whether the number is even or odd. Suppose you take the input as 23. So a mod 2 will be not equal to 0, hence it will jump to the false part, that is the odd, and print odd. Now I hope you have gone through all these expressions. Kindly practice them. Few of them I'll be uploading in the next lesson as homework, and revise these as few of them are very important programs. You will be using them in programs too. If any doubt, kindly contact me. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. Do revise it. Thank you.